Hello everyone. Today is 3rd of July. In this video, I am going to show you the payment API which I have added in my Razorpay clone project. Let's get started. So we will start from the controller. We will follow the top to down approach. Okay. So for the payment, if we open the payment controller, in the last video I have shown you the order API for to create the order. Okay, but what I will do, I will actually open the postman. So what I have done over here, manage. So I have created, we will see this capture payment later. First we will see the initiate payment. Okay, so what I have done, I have created. Okay, so what I have done, I have created a request mapping which is mapped to the v1 slash payment and created a post mapping request over here in which I have passed the payment init request. Okay, so in it we are actually passing the order ID, method and method details for the payment. Till now, what has actually happened? We have put the info, that is the order ID will be taken, then the method and the method details we have put on the front end. Now when we click on the payment button, then this process will happen. Okay, so what will happen, the HTTP said, I have created the order and then we are calling the service method. Give me a minute. Service, then service, we have the payment method. Okay, so the payment method actually checks the order, find that's order. If order not found, it throws an exception. Okay, and we actually check that the order status, if it's not equal to created and not attempted. Okay, in that case we set the order status to be created, it add 1 to its attempt. Okay, then what we do, we actually create a payment for it and save that payment. Okay, then we actually, as we need a payment request, this payment request will be further sent to the adapter. Okay, so we are actually taking the required info as per our need, and then we will speak about this transition service later on. Okay, now what it does is actually calls the payment gateway router. So in this video I am going to speak about two things. The first was the payment API, that was the initiate payment. Then the second thing, that is the strategy design pattern which I have applied in it for its implementation. Okay, so what happens over here, we could have done that, we could have added the if else, then if this payment method, then run this other, but it's not actually scalable. Actually our project should be open for give me a minute. We are actually following the rule that is open for uh, open for updation but close for modification. Means if we have applied the if else, then if I wanted to add another payment method, in that case what I have to do, I have to update that. But during that updation process, if something fails, then there's no point in doing that thing. So actually what we have done over here, we have actually called the payment gateway. Okay, the payment gateway, I will show you the code. Okay, the payment gateway, then the payment gateway will call the, we have called the initiate method from the payment gateway. The payment gateway will get the method, and as per the method it will actually call the respective uh, it will actually call the respective payment. For example, the payment is of the net banking, then from here it will actually call, there are three methods. Okay, so if the method is net banking, we will speak of two methods right now, that is the net banking one and the UPI one. So I have created the adapters for it. If we click on the net banking, then this is the code for the net banking one. Okay, so we will speak about this code in the next video. This we want to understand the strategy design pattern which we have used. Okay, so that's for the means this see, from here actually we call the gateway router. From the gateway router we have three. We get the method. For that particular method, we which method we want to call, we call it as per our need. Okay, so that's what done in it. Okay, then we speak about the strategy design pattern. We also saw the initiate payment method. So we will speak about this. If we get the result, that is the payment result. Okay, now we will discuss about the payment result. So this payment result is an sealed interface. Sealed interface means rather than this class, none other class can actually implement it. Okay, so the payment result has three things, that is the pending, failure and success, and as per that need we have passed the argument for it. Okay, so that is the sealed interface meaning. So what we do, if we get the pending, for that pending, then we then we send this, or we actually update its the status for that particular payment. Or if it's failure, then actually we set the error code and error description. Okay, and then later on save the payment, always also the order. Okay, so that's about the initiate payment. In the next video I am going to actually explain you the code for the processor, as well as, oh, sorry, wait a second, actually I forgot to speak about the processor. Let me show you. But in this video is strategy design pattern and the initiate API. Okay, so okay, we will speak about it in the next video, where I will show you the code for, explain you the code for the adapter, as well as the processors for the net banking and UPI. Okay, so stay tuned for that video. Thank you.